Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Eamon's Digital Designs. Today, I'll show you how to create an engaging, professional YouTube banner using Canva. This tutorial walks you through each step I take when designing banners for my clients, and by the end, you'll see why a custom banner is so essential to stand out online. Plus, if you're interested in having a unique design tailored for your brand, I'd love to help you create something that truly represents your vision. To start, open Canva and search the YouTube banner, which has the exact dimensions YouTube requires. But I'm using this banner size image. You can download this YouTube banner size image from Google Chrome. This saves you the hassle of resizing and ensures that your design will display correctly on desktop, mobile, and TV screens. I'll work on mid on mobile size. The mobile size width is perfect for display in any device, so when working with clients, I always test banners on different devices to make sure they look great everywhere. Let's talk about why a YouTube banner matters. Your banner is like the face of your channel. It's the first thing viewers see, so it should reflect your style, niche, and personality. For my clients, I create designs that not only look professional but also capture their brand's essence. So, if you're looking to leave a lasting impression on new visitors, a custom banner is the way to go. Okay, so a strong color palette is essential to brand identity. Today, I'll go with a soft pink, white, and black theme for a modern, stylish feel, but every color choice can be customized. For client projects, I always consider their brand colors or industry-specific colors that can help attract their target audience. If you have a specific look in mind, let me know. I'd be happy to craft a banner that fits your vision. Pro tip for you guys: choose colors that evoke the right emotions for your audience. For example, blue is calming, while red is energizing. Next, we'll place the logo in the center of the banner. This creates a strong focal point and makes your branding clear. I always recommend clients use their logos prominently on banners to help build brand recognition. If you need help creating a unique logo or want to revamp your current one, I offer logo design services too. Just reach out, and we can get started. A custom banner design is more than just a graphic, it's a representation of your brand. For my clients, I focus on crafting designs that not only look great but also help attract and engage their audience. Whether you're just starting or looking to refresh your brand, a professional banner can set you apart. If you want to take your channel to the next level, reach out, and let's make your brand shine. A plain background can look too simple, so let's add some texture. In Canva, there are plenty of pattern options. Today, I'm adding a subtle radial pattern for a dynamic look. Backgrounds like this add depth and interest without distracting from the main text and logo. With clients, I like to experiment with textures to give their designs a unique edge that stands out. A professional banner is an investment in your brand's success. Now I'm adding pink shadow for depth. Now go to Elements and search Water Splash and add it on banner. I'm decreasing the pattern transparency. Mobile size banner is almost ready. Mobile size dimension banners display correctly on mobile phones, desktop, and TV screens as well, so complete the sides as well for professional look. Follow same steps again. Let's add our text. I'm going to place Design Academy in bold, uppercase letters, making it the first thing viewers notice. For client projects, I focus on readability, so I always recommend using bold fonts for key phrases. If you want a design that grabs attention right away, this approach works wonders. Plus, I can help personalize your text to align with your brand voice, whether you want bold and edgy or elegant and minimal. Add a subscribe icon to the banner. A subtle subscribe icon on your banner can be a helpful nudge for viewers. In my client designs, I always include elements that encourage engagement. A simple subscribe icon placed strategically can lead to more clicks, which is great for growing your audience. Want to give your channel a professional edge with effective CTAs? I'm here to help with personalized designs that work. Now, let's make sure everything is aligned and well balanced. I always double-check alignment on client banners, as a well-balanced layout makes the design more professional. Canva has grid lines that help with this, and I'm adjusting elements slightly to ensure a polished look. If you're looking for attention to detail in your banner design, I'd love to work with you to make sure everything's just right. When your design is ready, it's important to export it at the highest quality. In Canva, select PNG or high-quality JPEG for the best results. I always make sure my clients receive their designs in optimal resolution to look sharp and professional. Need help with uploading or adjusting your banner? I'm just a message away.